Why hello Chantons, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face using only TikTok hacks. Some of them I'm not showing you guys because you already know a lot of them. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into the video. So first we're going to use the moisturizer hack where we set the face with setting powder after moisturizer and then put setting spray, but I don't use primer, so because the only primer that I have is a pore filling primer, so I guess we aren't doing that part of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my trusty brush and just apply my moisturizer to my face. So for moisturizer, I went ahead and used the Neutrogena Hydro Boost like I always do. So now for the setting spray, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. So now for setting spray, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray and just spritz my face like they did in the TikToks. And for foundation, because I'm going to go ahead and skip over the primer part, I'm using the Magic Minerals Airbrush Foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the foundation onto my face. And now blend it out. So now I do have a concealer hack that I'll show right here. And with the TikTok hack, they do show you using less concealer and it working better. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit underneath the eyes right now. Which is what you guys usually see me do anyways. And now I will set my face again just because that's part of the steps I usually take. And that way it doesn't necessarily always crease. So now for contour, I'm going to go ahead and use the spoon and fork that a lot of the beauty YouTubers have done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just cup. And now for the fork along the bridge of the nose, which I will use a smaller brush and just well, the fork I'm using definitely does not work. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the way that I usually would, from the brow over, and then a little bit of concealer, not concealer, highlight, to just highlight the face, the nose a little bit. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the blush off camera because there was no blush hacks, so I'll be right back. So there wasn't any hacks for the highlight, so I went ahead and did the highlight off camera. So now on for the brows. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the hack that I found right here. So what was shown was pretty much X's, two X's, and then the arch was down like that, and then they drew on the arch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then fill in the brows like that was shown. And yeah. So you can kind of see the X right there. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the brow. Now in that TikTok, it looked like they were using more of a marker, but I didn't have a marker, so I just decided to use my pen. So now on for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and use this hack that I'm going to show you right here. So what was used was pretty much just a spoon and some eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the contour palette because that's what I'm in the mood for, because she used a dark brown, so I'm going to go ahead and use a dark brown. They used a pencil or a eyeshadow crayon, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to go ahead and dip into one of the eyeshadows, the contours, and use that. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. And there we go. That surprisingly was understandable. Not surprisingly, it was understandable. No doubt about it. So now on for the lips. So in this TikTok that I'm going to show you now, it looks like they recreated the Princess Peach look for the lips. So, and they used pink, so I'm going to use pink, but they used concealer on their lips. Where's my concealer? So, what are we waiting for? Let's do that. So now on to the concealer. I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer onto my hand to just and there we go. Now what's left is to set the face. And this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Bye guys. Love you.